Hey guys, it's Drex here and welcome to my first day vlog in Kazakhstan. So we started our journey from Sharjah Airport in the UAE and we flew with Air Arabia going to Almaty Airport. Here we are waiting at the gate, excited and ready to go. Fast forward, we're finally boarding the plane. Just look outside, grabe, ang ganda ng view from up here. The flight took around 4 hours from Sharjah to Almaty. And there it is. We're already seeing Almaty from above. The mountains, the clouds, sobrang breathtaking. Paglapag namin, ang una ko talagang napansin, sobrang green at super clean ng Almaty. As in, nakaka-relax talaga. Lalo na para sa isang nature lover like me. While we were on our way to the hotel, I couldn't help but take videos of the city. Ang ganda guys, peaceful, fresh, and charming. Finally, we arrived at the hotel. And yap, heto na ako, finally showing my face sa vlog. After setting in and fixing our stuff, we quickly changed and headed out to explore. Our first stop, Kok Tobe. We rode a cable car going up and grabe guys, the view was amazing. You can see the whole city, the trees, the skyline, parang postcard. And yes, here I am again, nagpapakute. When we reached Kok Tobe, we immediately tried the fast coaster. At first, kinakabahan ako. But once we were on it, I had the time of my life. Look at the view. Sobrang sulit. After the ride, we explored the area. Took lots of videos and photos and then watched the sunset. Guys, ang ganda. The golden light, the roses, the whole vibe. It was so calming and romantic. And finally, we took the cable car back to the city, enjoying the night view of Kok Tobe one last time for the day. So that's it for our first day in Kazakhstan. Hope you enjoyed the vlog.